Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1 a.m. At 12:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Troy, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Lake Catherine, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Boners Lake, Pale Lake, Eagle Lake, Salem, Burlington, Springfield, Bristol, Kansasville, and Bassett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.